My name's Jacob Bell and I'm a furniture maker. I've been a furniture maker for about 10 years and my business is called Winterton's Furniture. When I walk into the workshop in the morning, one of the things I like to get on with first is sort of trimming down small pieces of wood for the smaller projects and sketching maybe ideas or designing furniture for customers. Sketching my ideas is really beneficial for me because it gets the ideas from inside my head down to paper that I can refer back to later on. I can also show a customer what I have in mind. And it can also bring up possible design flaws that you just can't see inside your head. One of the great things about having the workshop at home is that I can share my downtime with my cat. It's really great to kind of remove myself from the work mindset for just a little bit of time and just spend a bit of time playing with the cat, get back to work and in a very fluid environment where I can jump back and forth. Another thing I like to do on a day-to-day basis, just to clear my head and relax, is have a stroll down to the bench that overlooks the sea. It's really great for your mental health to just stop working when things get a little bit too busy, a little bit too stressful. The last thing that I want to do is just to overload and burn out. And to be able to stop and disappear for just a few minutes really does do wonders. Later on in the day is my most hands-on part of the day. It's when I work on the larger projects and much bigger pieces of timber because I'm a little bit more awake. I rely on Festool so heavily with these bigger projects because there is no way on earth that I'm going to cut up sheet materials by hand. Just the idea of using a power tool for these bigger projects, it just works so well and I don't think I could do these without them. After all my commission work in the day, I like to set up in the evenings to teach furniture classes. This could be anything from a dovetail session all the way to building a whole chair. Tonight's session happens to be a dovetail session and I find these to be really beneficial to anyone who comes because they really do learn a lot, and I really like watching other people educate themselves and learn a lot and find a new passion in the same thing that I am passionate about. I'm Jacob Bell and this was a day in my life.